Time for a new video. Today I'm going to talk about App Store screenshots, right? Like, of course, there's loads of important parts of the funnel, and one part is the conversion on your App Store listing. So I'm going to show you what I do, and I'm going to also provide you with like a free Figma file that allows you to basically copy it and just upload your screenshots. And basically, I'm just going to show you how to use that template. This is the one that I use, or the sort of format where you've got this sort of nice hero image, and then you're just clearly stating what your features are. And as you can see on my Ovolo app, it looks great. And then also on Glowly, I've done the same thing. Slightly lower effort, but that's just because obviously everybody's first app is super high fidelity, high effort. And then you slowly start to realize that people don't give a shit about nice looking buttons. Anyway, Figma, right? I'm just going to show you very simply how this works. Basically, you can come in here and you can edit the text, edit the images, and it's very easy to edit text. You just double click the text. But I'm going to show you how to edit the images because it is slightly like fiddly. So basically, from here is where you're going to put in your screenshots of your app, and then you're going to paste them into the screens here. So let me grab a screenshot of my app quickly. I just did a bit of a file cleanup because my OBS keeps crashing. All right, I'm gonna airdrop that to my Mac. Fantastic. So we've got a screenshot of my app. It's viral feature, and we're using Selena Gomez as an example. Do not use celebrities in your App Store screenshots. This is just an example, right? So what we're going to do is hit Command-Shift-C, okay, or CTRL or Shift-C if you're on Windows, unfortunately. And this is going to save it to your clipboard as a PNG instead of like just copying the element in Figma. And then you're going to come in here, and where it says paste image here in the file folder or whatever you want to call it, you just paste at that point. And then boom, it's in. Now what you want to do, CTRL Shift C, Command Shift C. Again, you've now copied this as an image. And then in the App Store screenshots, you're just going to paste. Same for this one here, boom. Same for this one here, boom. And then you would just do the same with every other screenshot, right? And obviously in here, you can replace your reviews with these ones I've given. And then you can also edit your app description and app keywords. I've just provided those as like a template that you can use. And that's it. Now all you do is select them all and then scroll down on the right. Export 5 layers. I would recommend exporting it 2 times as well, just for extra quality. And save to your file and upload to App Store Connect, right? These are all like confirmed valid formats that Apple will accept. And then, yeah, your App Store screenshots will start looking like this. And you should get, over 50-60% view to install rate like I'm getting. So yeah, I'll drop the link to the Figma template below, and you won't be able to edit it because it costs me to be able to allow people to edit, which is freaking retarded, right? But what you want to do is go up here and then go File, Save Local Copy, or something like that. Yeah, File, Save Local Copy, and then it'll allow you to have your own version that you can edit. Yeah, I hope this was helpful, and good luck.